As I promised you guys, you will see something amazing that you have never heard before and never seen. That is all about Bikerbabavlogs. So guys, I found this here. Did you see? So guys, I am on the way to the border of Goa in Karnataka, which is Karwar road here, and that road goes to Karwar there. So what I'll do, I'll just cover that area there. There's a few beaches on that spot there. Polen beach, almost 3-4 viewpoints and beaches also. So I'll show you here beside me. That's the area there. So it's around 3:30 in the evening now. It's almost 60 kilometers away from my home, that location. I'll just explore that area there. And today I have this bike because it's a very long distance and I have to move faster. Hi guys, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber, and if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay, let's do this now. Okay guys, this is Karwar road here. Border is 5 kilometers away from here now. And this is called Kalmat something here in Mashem area, Canacona. Then I'll take this road here. This road, I don't know how much I have to ride from on this road here. I'll just go and check it out, what we can see. Come on, let's do this. I have this machine today. this kind of road here for viewpoint. Okay guys, right guys, so we have this kind of road here. Road means you can ride on the rocks here, and this side you have to ride here. I don't know how long I have to ride. This is something private property here, and this is the area here. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I found something like this here. There's a can't go bike from here, so I'll just go that side, that road. I'll just go and check whether I can go a little bit further there. Okay, I'll just go this side and check what I can see there. I'll try to show you as well. Okay, so I'm other side now, but here also I cannot see anything. I'll go back there from where I've come now and check again. There was a smaller road was there. I'll just go and check. Alright, I'm back again here. I'll just go inside from here. Let's see. Okay, you have something like this here. And that's the point there. From there you can see here, but I cannot find a way there. I'll check again. If I'm lucky, we will have something to see today. So this is the area here. Okay, I'll go little bit further. From here they have steps to go down. I'll just go and check it out, what I can see. guys, I found this here. Did you see? So ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce Tamder viewpoint here in South Goa next to Polen beach. This is the viewpoint here. There's a smaller beach maybe. I was there before. I was checking the way to come this side. Then I came from here and there's a lot of place there. But right now it's no one. This is all about Bikerbabavlogs, guys. You'll see unexplored places. So this is the area here. And there's the one more beach over there. There's all the rocky place here. It's a little bit dangerous here. And this is what we have here. There's the way to come here. A lot of people may maybe gathered. I can see the trash here. Even that side, but I won't go any further. I'll just stand here and try to show you. This is all about Bikerbabavlogs, guys. Okay, I'll just try to go there. If I can show you something there, maybe we have some other way to go there. Okay, let's go from here. It's called Tamder viewpoint here. Alright friends, from here I will end this video because video will be long. That's why I'll try to show you something amazing today. I'll just go some other way. Let's see what we can see there. As I promised you guys, you will see something amazing that you have never heard before, never seen. Okay, that's it. That is all about Bikerbabavlogs. If you like this video, guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.